Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The sum of the first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is minus 130. The sum of the first 20 terms is minus 660. What is the sum of the first 30 terms of this AP? Now we know sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, sum of first 10 terms will be S10 will be equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So that is going to be equal to, let's see, sum of 10 terms is given as minus 130. So minus 130 equal to 10 by 2 is 5. 5 into 2a plus 9d. 2a plus 9d. So if I take this 5 over to left hand side, I get 5 2s are 10 and 5 6s are 30. So we get minus 26 equal to, therefore, 2a plus 9d equal to minus 26. Let's call it equation 1. In next statement, the question says sum of first 20 terms is minus 660. So we have S20 equal to 20 by 2 into 2a plus 20 minus 1d. So that we get minus 660 equal to 20 by 2 is 10, 2a plus 19d. So if we take 10 to the left hand side, we get minus 66, we get 2a plus 19d, 2a plus 19d equal to minus 66. Let's call it equation 2. If I subtract equation 1 from 2 by equation 2 minus equation 1, we get 2a plus 19d minus 2a plus 9d. That will be in bracket equal to minus 66 minus of minus 26. So we get 2a and minus 2a cancelled out. 19d minus 9d is 10d. That is equal to minus 66 plus 26 is equal to minus 40. So we get d equal to minus 4 from here. Now if we put this value of d in equation 1, we get, putting d equal to minus 4 in 1, we get 2a plus 9 4s are 36. So minus 36 equal to minus 26. So we get 2a equal to 10. So we get a equal to 5. Now that we have values of a and d, we can easily calculate sum of first 30 terms of this AP. So S30 is going to be equal to 30 by 2 into 2 into 5. A is 5 plus 30 minus 1. D is minus 4. So minus 4. So that is equal to 15 multiplied by 10. 29 multiplied by 4 is 4 9s are 36. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 is 11. And this is negative because 29 multiplied by minus 4. So this we have 15 multiplied by minus 106. So we have sum of 30 terms as 15 6 are 90 and 15 ones are 15. So 1590, negative of 1590. So S30 equal to negative 1590. Let's look at the given options. Yes, answer is option C.